Chris?
Good, good. Craig, so I had a question. We're looking to get my own home studio going, but I'm over here looking, and you got all this gear, all these knobs, all these cables. It looks extremely complicated.
It's not. What do you want to know?
Yeah, I was wondering how to get it all started. I want to be able to record some vocals and guitar, something basic, but how do I get from a microphone into my recording and out of the speakers?
Okay, I guess the easiest thing to remember is your signal path, your signal flow. And if you remember that, you can hook up absolutely anything. It doesn't matter how big it is or how small it is or whatever. Just remember it and you'll have no problem at all. And what I mean by signal path and signal flow is output to input to output to input to output, and just make that happen on every piece of equipment. I'll show you real quick here. The sound comes out of your mouth, okay, into the microphone, out, in, okay, into the microphone, then it's going to go out of the microphone, in to a mixer. It doesn't matter whether this little mixer here is just an example.
So it's the same even if it's a big
right,
24?
Exactly.
It's all the same
thing. So we're going to go, it says mic 1, where there's your input. So let's review really fast. We're going out of the mouth, into the microphone, out of the microphone, into here. Okay? Now it goes into here. This is just your level of how much of this is coming out. Once it's in here, what we're going to do is out of here, in to your recording device, and then that's it. This is the final part of it. You'll see here, it'll read out how much of this is going into here. That's it. So this particular setup can be used on anything super huge or super small.
Now, does this work the same way as a Pro Tools, Logic, some type of computer-based recording device?
Anything. So let's take a look at this. Say the microphone or keyboard or anything, it goes to whatever piece of equipment you want it to go to, or out of the keyboard, in usually to, this is just a converter. It converts your analog signal to digital. Once it converts it to digital numbers, it goes into the computer. Now it's in the computer. You manipulate it with logic, you know. It's all still numbers. Out, back into the converter again, converts it from digital back to analog again, so your ears can pick it up. Analog, over to this power amplifier to the speakers, speakers to your ears. That's all there is to it. Yeah, if you follow that out-in path on everything, you can't go wrong.
Well, thank you, Craig.
You're entirely welcome. Anytime, Chris.